Welcome back, traders. Welcome back to another video. My name is Trade, and today we're taking trading automation to another level. Imagine if you could choose one of the professional strategies and apply them immediately to the chart that you want to analyze, and within a 10-15 second range get a signal based on that strategy. And that is exactly what I got for you today. Today I have institutional level tool available for you guys, for individual traders that are trying to go into the market and make themselves some nice money. This is what it's all about. This is what we're trying to do here, and today's tool is gonna do exactly that for you. The only thing that you need to control is selecting the time frame you want to trade on, selecting the asset you want to trade on, and selecting the strategy that you want to trade with. Everything else is going to be done by the robot, so if you're not using this tool, you are really handicapping yourself. So I want to show you how it works. I want to show you what it's capable of. So let's go straight into the market and let me show you what I got for you. For example, let's start with the moving average cross, right? We just need one above 80%. I always say, look for the asset with a good payout and a somewhat stable situation. And this is once again really tough market. So let's try it. Canadian, Japanese yen. We're going to select 1 minute. However, what you need to know about this robot is that it will really perform analysis on all of the timeframes that are in here. So 1 day included. It's looking for the market structure on a higher time frame to see if it's going to influence the price at the current time frame. So this is extremely important. So if we're selecting 1 minute, the robot will perform analysis on all the time frames and give us a signal for 1 minute only. So we press start analysis and we are off. Let's wait and see. It takes between 10 to 15 seconds to receive the analysis. So let's see what we got here. We got a buy position, so we're going to place 500 on it right now. And once again, you can see how high volatility is. There's a lot of candle gaps right here. There's a lot of long candle wicks that are happening. This is the Friday market, which brings a lot of danger for traders that are complete beginners that don't know the times when you should be trading. This robot helps you a lot by taking off pressure from you and giving you a precise and clean analysis for whatever you select. This is exactly what you would want to go into the market and learn with if you are just starting out. But also, if you already know how to perform your analysis, you can use this tool to reinforce it as well. You can perform your own analysis on a chart and then go ahead, select the same chart here, apply a different strategy and see how it works if the analysis of the robot aligns with your own. So this tool is really a game changer for those who are trying to learn how to trade. And there it is. We make our first money, our first $400, and we're not gonna go crazy today, just a couple of trades. And let's try to find another asset. Let's go with pivot reversal strategy. Let's jump to the other side, the more difficult ones, and let's continue. We were in Canadian, Japanese yen, and now we are looking for something else that is also a good payout. So this is gonna take some time, I assume, because Friday market is no joke. As you can see, all the assets are below 80, which I don't want to trade on, but we want to really try and find something good. And there it is, 88%. But look at the situation on the market. This is not a good environment to trade. The volatility is spiking, so this is going to be difficult. Press start analysis. Let's see if the robot can do it for us right here. And once again, it's going to analyze every single time frame, and there it is. We have a buy position here. I'm going to place another 500, and you can see that I'm aware how difficult the market is, so I'm not trying to place too much money. Like if that dip is happening, like you could see the price spiking down, obviously I want to place a little bit more to offset this loss in case it happens. But this market is extremely dangerous, and I am happy that I don't have to perform my own analysis, but I see how the price could just spike right now, go down and take out me with all my money right here. But let's see the reasoning for the robot to give us a buy position here. Price closes well below the pivot with a wide bearish candle, volume spikes indicating strong selling interest. So there we have it. The selling interest is definitely in there. We still get a buy position regardless. We might lose the first one, I expect. When the price stops like that, I'm usually expecting a red candle to just Yep, there it is. So we lose that one, but we still can secure these two and make all our money back. And there it is, nice and easy. We do get it, and we return all the funds that we lost. Let's continue. We started at 4.4. I want to at least make 3,000 here, so let's try to find, let's trade with MACD strategy, and Euro Great Britain Pound has a better situation, so let's go ahead and do it. 1 minute start analysis. This tool is available for everybody, so if you want to trade with it, now is the time. You can already start making your first steps in trading with this. Let's go ahead, place the trade, buy position. You can already go into the market and start mastering certain strategy. For example, you want to learn how to trade with a moving average strategy, moving average cross. You select it, you do a few trades, you see what the robot pays attention to, and you go and execute. We still have time, so I'm gonna place a little bit more money here to offset the initial 2 losses, but that might happen, but let's look. MACD crossover emerges as price bounces from EMA 50, histogram switches to positive and gains height with each candle. RSI at 61 confirms momentum is still building. Let's add RSI. It is in its 50s, 58, 50. Right now it's actually dipping down, so the volatility is insane. This is the big danger. If I would, first of all, I would not be trading in this market by myself. This is extremely dangerous, and you can see how volatility is impacting the price movement here, and this is what you should be avoiding when you're trading by yourself. Don't trade in this market, but if you choose to do so, please learn how to place your trades so you are not taking out every single time. Just like that, we once again make money of a seemingly losing trade because the price went so far down. However, because we saw that it's dropping, and one thing you need to know about this robot, that the signal is valid for like 20 seconds. So if you see the price spiking really down and you have an opportunity to place a buy position, do it, because the signal is valid for 20 seconds. And that goes for shorter time frames like 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. On higher time frames, it doesn't have as much of impact, but for 1 minute, you definitely should be looking at performing new analysis if you're going to place a trade on the same chart after 20 seconds after you receive the signal. So let's go ahead and do one more trade. Let's see if we got any more strategies available in our arsenal. And I really want to do super trend strategy. That's not the one we used to trade with a lot, but let's find if we can even get a nice asset with a good payout. Euro, United States dollar, with like this is gonna be the one. Great Britain Pound Canadian. Let's go straight into it. Press start analysis, and we are off. This is how it's done, guys. This is how it's done. And this tool, we've worked so hard on it to make sure that people can trade easily, that it's not cluttered, the UI is not cluttered. It's really everything that a trader would need to start making solid profit on a daily basis. And not only that, but gain confidence, gain knowledge about certain strategies. This is the game changer. This is what you need to be. The algorithm that is built into this tool is constantly updated. This is AI based tool, so you should know it. And if you're not utilizing AI nowadays to your advantage, while it's so obvious that it's exactly what needs to be done, you are missing out. And we are making it so easy for you, because right by yourself you cannot build a tool like this, but we are helping you by making this tool accessible, easy to use, and everything is already done for you. So just go into the market, make your money, and learn how to trade. And look at that volatility. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we just got taken out by a massive red candle and that would be the end of it. But we secured a win. We're looking good, we're making money, and this is all she wrote. A couple of close calls, but we ended up on top on a Friday market, guys. Once again, this is not an easy market to trade in. Look at the price action, and on top of that, we were also trading on a really low time frame, which also brings even more volatility. So this tool has proven to trade in the harshest environment, and we of course are able to still go into the market and make $3,000 stars with this tool. This is what you get. So if you want to trade with this, send me a message right now on Telegram at ntrade_pro, or simply join my trading team. You can do it already today. Links are in the description below. Everybody's welcome. You can start learning how to trade. We have daily trading sessions, one-on-one trading sessions, tutorials, trade breakdowns, tips on strategies, on charts, on indicators, everything that you would need. We got it for you covered in a nice and easy way. We have our own app available for you as well, where you can find everything in one place, easy, accessible, trading tutorials within the app, signals within the app, everything that you would want. We have it nicely packaged for you and available. So check it out as well. Links are in the description below. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you liked the video. If you didn't, then don't. I appreciate you for watching anyway, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.